So we just got our Halloween decorations set up, and I'm gonna move this guy outside. But we're gonna dress him up first. Since I'm not gonna be sculpting on him for a little while, boop. I'm gonna dress him up in what I wore last year, and have him like a little animal, a little prop to scare the kids and stuff. For his costume, got some stuff in here. Now, this is what I wore last year. Here they are. Monster gloves that we can put on the hands. What is this? Oh, that's a hood. So we can use that maybe if it fits. And then the other monster hand. I got some like plastic skulls I can use as well in another bag. So let's do that. Just gonna get him dressed up in the office here. This goes over just like this. Yeah? Okay, see what I'm going for? Hood, which I don't think the hood will fit on him, but it'll cover up the white. People think maybe I'm the prop, you know? We can just prop these off. Look at that, look at that. I love that. We might be able to fit the fingers. Maybe not. I want this to work so bad. I'm sure that is good because we can just strap it on like that. Hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you. What do? You pose for clothing wear? That's crazy. How'd you get that job? So I kind of figured this wasn't gonna work, or these hands weren't gonna fit these. That's okay, you know, we're making it work. That's all I want. Doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to kind of work. This one fits way better, what the hell? This one actually fits. That makes no sense, but okay. I gotta find those skulls. I'm not sure where they are, but I'm gonna bring this guy out. Good thing about this guy is he has a metal base. I think I'm gonna give him this bucket as well. Bucket of eyeballs to hold or put in front of him. But we're gonna put him like right there. There he is. Beautiful. Looking great. I wanna put the bucket on his hands, but I might have to zip tie it to his hand. When you're decorating your house, I always think it's good to have a theme. Our theme this year is spiders. We got these big old webs coming down from the roof. I got my lovely guy right there. I got this big spider above the doorway as well. Metal Girl's gonna be making like a, what is it, Frodo, when he gets attacked by Shelob and, you know, tied up in webbing. We're gonna put him like right here. So, you know, that's like Shelob there. A little bit smaller, but then we'll put him like right here. Just use some garbage bags and some webbing, and then we're gonna print out a face. And I think that'll look pretty good. But yeah, spider theme. And then the Wendigo. I mean, he doesn't really fit the theme, but I wanted to put him up, so that's what we're doing. And then here's what it looks like. And then the lighting. Oh, it's so spooky. Look at that. Spiders crawling on the wall. I was also going through this bin of like other masks and costumes, and I forgot about this freaking frightening Pennywise mask. It's so frightening because it's so floppy. This is extremely uncomfortable. Kind of like it though. If I get another mannequin, maybe I'll turn that mannequin into like a Pennywise or something. Or grown-up Georgie with his arm missing. Something like that, I don't know. The Pennywise mask is just creepy because, I don't know, it's just so floppy and the proportions are a little off, so it makes it that much more creepy. So I didn't attach the eyeballs to the Wendigo yet. I gotta do another video involving this. Then after that, I will probably attach it to the Wendigo outside. It's like carrying like a bucket of eyeballs. Does it fit him? I don't think it fits his aesthetic because it's used eyes. But if I were to do like a hillbilly prop or like a cannibal or something like that, you know, maybe he'd be carrying something like this, you know, because, you know, cannibals, they love eyeballs because they're little treats for their mouths. You know, we had a windstorm here and it blew away that tombstone there and destroyed a bunch of other props that we had lined up. And the gates, some of them blowing down, but he got blown down. What a mess. So now I got to find sandbags to hold him in place, or else he's gonna get blown away because we're supposed to have more wind come by. But the spiders are good. They're fine. They're just fine. Goddamn wind. Oh! How did you get up here? I'll leave that there for now. Yes, I shaved my beard. It was getting too much, you know, and I kept getting food in it. And latte foam, and it's just food. There's always food in it, or ketchup or something to stuff. So I got tired of washing it. I'm just like, screw it. Winter's coming. Shave it off. We're gonna start all over. But I'm upset. I'm upset with those decorations. Stupid windstorm, man. It was like really windy, and I knew. I was worrying about the decorations, especially the mannequin. I thought the metal base was heavy enough to hold them up, but I guess it wasn't. So I gotta go get sandbags to hold them down, probably like one or two to be safe. But then the other decorations, I got blown over or literally snapped because they're cheap plastic from the dollar store. But you know, sometimes the dollar store has some pretty good stuff. But I'm glad the mask and the horns didn't break off. They're all intact. I just gotta get some sandbags, set it up, and then dig deeper holes and find a way to kind of anchor those props down. That is an issue for another time. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog entry. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.